What's up, man? Where you at?
You're here already? Yeah, I'll be there in just a minute.
All right, cool. I'll see you in a bit.
All right, see ya.
What's up, guys? It's me, Eric B, and welcome back to the channel. And I am once again in sunny Texas to do a collab with another YouTuber. So we've been trying to get up for a little while now. We had a Snowmageddon recently, and that kind of put a wrench in our plans. So now we're trying again. See if we can make some cool content for you guys. And today is a good day, and the weather is nice here right now. So I just went and stopped by Motomummy. I don't know if you guys have bought any parts or anything from those guys, but they are located in Round Rock, Texas. And I picked up my Pitbull restraint system from those guys. So finally decided to go that route. I'm tired of dealing with the straps, and it's gonna be a nice system to secure the bike, and I will have a video coming out on that soon, so stay tuned for that. And there he is. What up, man? What's going on? Finally was able to find a spot to drop my trailer up here. Let's try to I don't know where we could find somewhere where we can like do some b-roll shots and stuff first and then jump on.
What kind of shots do you want?
But yeah, I'm down. Sweet. All right, let's do it. I'll follow you. Bet you guys didn't see that one coming, did you? Been trying to get up with Motonosity forever. When did you get this one?
I got it last summer.
Nice, man. That freaking exhaust sounds good back there. When your wife is your chase car. Got her doing some camera work. God, his is so much louder than mine. It's ridiculous. Things sound so mean. Now that we have gotten all of our b-roll shots, you know, that's always important. Gotta have that b-roll. Gotta emphasize the B when you say it. Alright, go yank this camera off real quick. Alright, now it's time to go have some fun. So obviously, he's always going to leave me in the straights. But I ain't going to get too crazy in curves or anything like that either. But yeah, man, I'm just glad I live close enough. Not often do I get to ride with big name YouTubers. So That is pretty cool. I hate riding with this freaking bag on my back with all my camera gear. But I gotta have it just in case, you know what I'm saying? Oh man, I know I didn't let the RPMs get up too high, but he was already gone. But let's listen to some sweet, sweet sounds of the R1 exhaust. And the R6 if you can hear it. I am just following the leader right now. I have no idea where I'm at. Oh, forgot my freaking earplugs, man. I hate it when I do that. Wind noise is ridiculous in this helmet. I'm wearing the X14. The Pista that I have is even worse. The thing ships with earplugs, but the wind noise is still pretty bad in this too. Oh, I'm thirsty. So I was trying a new mic location, so I don't know if there's more wind than usual, but if there is, I apologize in advance. You guys know it's tough as motovloggers trying to find a good spot for the mic to combat all the wind. I think some helmets are just better than others at keeping the wind noise down. Oh man, this is nice. Call it a sunset deck. Look at all that, that's nice. I don't know how well this looks on the GoPro because it never looks as good as it does in person. But that river over there, the road, private road, no trespassing. So my battery died right before we got up here. So the R6 is now a adventure bike. Where to now? Where to now?
We'll go back a little bit and then we'll take another road and go ride some other stuff.
Sweet. The gray fox and the Texas rat snake. I wonder if you put some like dirt tires on here, turn a street bike into a dirt bike. I'm sure people has done it. But you're probably wondering, where's the part where we go really, really, really fast? I got you. Alright, so here's a topic that, you know, is always talked about. So, just talking about this brand only, Yamaha. If you guys had to choose, would you choose the 4th generation R6 or an R1, newer generation? Obviously Motonosity's is a 2020, so it had the refresh on the front end to kind of model the way that the R6 looks in the front. I like both bikes. I wish I could have both, but if I could only have one, I would actually choose the 600, which is kind of weird. I mean, most people would think I would choose the R1. Yeah, so let me know down in the comments, what bike would you choose? If you could only have one, would you take, and we're talking about the Yamaha R6 or the R1, would you take the R6 or the R1? It's so quiet compared to the R1. And even if I got rid of the cat, it's still not as mean sounding, other than when I'm screaming up top. We're gonna hit some smackdown roads. We're gonna hit some straights. What in gypsy camp do we got going on here? Oh, you know I gotta do it. Man, there's like so much freaking traffic today. couldn't really line them up, even though he would have demolished me. All right, man, take it easy.
Well, I see it for real.
Get you on the flip-flop.
Nice meeting you, dude.
Yeah, man, same. Yeah, maybe we'll do it again sometime.
Yeah, for sure.
All right. And just like that, it's over. But if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. Stay updated on all my latest content, guys. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.